Hi, I'm Owen, and I built a no-world recumbent trike, and I'm now testing it and documenting the results, or getting out of the house for a Sunday morning bike ride, whichever sounds more convincing. So the idea behind this trip, in so much as I have any overarching ideas regarding this series, is that the original premise was to do 1,000 kilometres, and here I am, languishing behind, over a year later on 350 kilometres. So the idea here is that there's a very pretty lake. It's about 30 kilometres away, it's a bit of a distance. I asked the wife and she said she'd go with the dog, so I have a morning off and we'll put some kilometres on this thing finally. I pumped the tyres up and rechecked all the steering geometry, all looks good and it's rolling straight. So I get to the lake, ride around the lake, have some water, cycle back from the lake, 60k, basically untrained again. I can't really count cycling back from the station as on my folding bike. There is a very quick route which follows the main road, but I'm going to take the back lanes. Because it's quieter and prettier. Oh, that's kind of pretty. You can see that. This is the excitement, which is Bartelsdorf. Tractor. The flags are here for celebrating Schützenfest. People parade through the village, dressed in green clothes and funny hats. And Germans love their funny hats. And they pretend to be hunters, and emphasise the importance of hunting in the village, and a jolly good time is had by all. Right. So, heading for Brockel now. It's a pretty bumpy cycle path. So there's a quick little look. Okay, I'm glad I checked that because that's a little bit quicker. Yeah, it's a little bit quicker. Yep, this is exactly the one. No, I can't see it on that. Anyway,
Almost as if I knew what I was doing.
almost. This is good. This is. Yeah, comes window. Next one is nothing coming. Maybe we'll have a cycle path. Downhill! Woohoo! There's not a lot of downhill around here. I can't see it. This is the problem. You can't see stuff when I point the camera and you can see my feet really well. Yep, went the wrong way again. This is getting a bit old. The reason was that I thought that one big factory was the same as a different big factory, and that's the reason I went down that little path. There was a second big factory, and that was the one I should have taken, and that would have been a good route back. Now I think that'll be the route I take back, because that's a nice direct route. This isn't. This means I go all the way down here through Bortel, and then I have to turn like right back onto a main road, and then left, and then I'm there. Teaches you navigation. Well, or something. It teaches me something. I think this is the main road coming up here, so we turn right. No. Alright, fine. Straight on. Forget I said that. See? I knew where I was going. Okay, so we turn the right here. Cycle path. Pavement. Sort of cycle path. Oh no. I can't see much of that one. So, what we got? Bretel and Bockel. Somebody just had a penchant for names beginning with B and just went for it. And the EL on the end. I think we're nearly at the main road then. Another river. Let's check out the river. And we're up to the river. Oh, I can go fast again now. And then I just got to go all the way back, which, I don't know, you kind of forget about the getting back part of this. We made it, nearly. Coming up to the place where I thought I should have been, and it would have been so much easier, but never mind. Oh, sheesh. It's a long way. We did it. Now that's a bit grey. I don't really fancy paddling, but I feel I have the, I feel I'm allowed to do the panoramic shot from here. Right, give my wife a quick ring and then back. Hi, ich hab's geschafft. Ich hab's geschafft nach Bollensee. Ja. Ja. Ha. Jetzt muss ich zurück. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Oh well. Never mind. Alright, love you. See you later. Bye. Just changed my seat and oh, I feel so much better. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. We're very close to 400. 400 is definitely a milestone, I think. And yeah, I reckon I'll cap it at that, because to be honest, how the rest is just getting me home. I promise you that I got home like under my own steam, that people didn't pick me up. You know me well enough by now to know that I'd film it if something went wrong. So, are we nearly there? Getting there. Did it! We did it! Hooray! Okay. Alright, well, we'll cap it at that then. And yeah, hopefully I get another video out soon, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Please could you like and subscribe, and also thank you for everybody who has liked and subscribed. We've just hit 350, which is great. That's cool. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate that. Anyway, yeah, I'll leave it at that. Okay, so have a good week. I said if anything happened, and something's happened, this part here
which is normally on here, it's like on the back there, has just come off. So yeah, I mean, it's not, if I can get home, no problems, but I don't think I put it on correctly, because this bolt here is locked straight ahead, so I think this was never actually fitted correctly. But yeah, I just thought I'd point it out because, you know, I said I was going to point it out. Something broke, something came off.